Today I'm going to show you how to create your GitHub account and very first repository. Before we start, let's review what is DevOps.
DevOps is the union of people, process, and products to enable continuous delivery of value to our end users. Donovan Brown.
So we need you to understand that when we are talking about DevOps, tools or products you are using are not the most important. You need to choose value over software. DevOps is not just about automating a pipeline. Your goal is to deliver value. Tools and products only create the path to your goal. DevOps is about people following processes enabled by products to deliver value to your end users. If you choose GitHub as your product, let's go and create your account. If you prefer Azure DevOps, here is another video where I show how to create your Azure DevOps account. We can integrate both, but that is a topic for another video. So let's get started. Let's start by opening our browser and the github.com webpage. Then clicking sign up, and you will be welcomed by the very nice interface of GitHub, and you need to paste your email. So in my case, devopspops@outlook.com. Continue and create a password. Continue again, and I'll choose the username. So my username will be the same, devopspops. It's available, and continue. Continue again. That will verify your account. Let's do it. Submit. And you should receive that code by email. So let's open the email. And there he is. So copy your code, paste. You should be good to go. And now make sure you use your email or the same username you created. So in my case, devopspops and the password, and sign in. And now you can choose to answer the questions or skip directly to your GitHub page. Let's answer this. It's just me and my team, and I am a student and teacher, but I will add NEA right now and continue. You have two options. You have the free version, what we will choose, and then you have the team version, where you pay $4 per user per month. Let's choose continue for free. And then now you have your very own GitHub account. That's exciting, right? You can create new projects, you can create your repositories, you can upload your code, you can do lots of things that we'll be covering in other videos. So let's jump ahead and create a repository. So in this case, I will create with the name eShop on web that we'll be using as a reference. And you can choose to create a public project that everyone will see, or you can create as private where only you will see or the people with access to your repository. Let's create as private and click in new repository. And that's it. You have some steps to clone your repository, and you have multiple options that you can go through. Let's go to the settings. And here you have the GitHub settings, and you have security settings, you have settings to configure your GitHub actions, you can create GitHub pages, you can use code spaces, and we will cover that in other videos. You have issues to fix in the code, or you can create a issue as a suggestion. And here you have pull requests, where you can create a pull request that you are suggesting to fix something in the code, and the repository owner can accept that or not, and the features will be integrated into the main code. You can create GitHub actions to automate your build pipelines or your steps to deploy something in production or in your test environment. You also have GitHub projects where you can create boards to control your project planning. You also have a security tab where you can control policies for your project, or you can enable the Pandabot, which will fix some security issues for your code. You have insights about your repository. So you have multiple features to contribute with others to create your code and make that safe. So make sure you go through all your configurations, all your tabs, create new projects, create new repositories, and try to understand more how GitHub works. We'll cover this in other videos, but for now it's just a very quick overview. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe and share this channel with your friends so we can help more people. Thanks for watching. Bye!